and like, it just, pretty much if you're doing something you love, the time just goes by.
It
You
do.
know,
It do.
and you just get to sit there and enjoy, what it is that and it for you. I've seen you. I've seen your daughter. Y'all fashion people. Y'all seem like y'all enjoy to look good or whatever. Y'all seem like y'all enjoy, you know, just putting together pieces. You know what I'm saying? And
I
I can see
do.
that
I
in
do.
everything y'all do. So that's dope, man. And it's like for me, we were also talking about like the content piece or whatever. How that complements the business and moving forward for me and some of my businesses, been trying to find ways that like content can help supplement some of that income
Mm.
because one, you don't want to be, and we talked about it too with the shoes, right? You don't want to be like you know too like focused in on one thing that you neglect the opportunities you have on something else, with the sneakers or whatever.
Mm-hmm.
You know what I'm saying? Being open minded and having multiple streams of income or whatever.